There are various types of candles, each with unique characteristics and purposes. Let's just quickly have a look at them. I have added this document in the resources for you to download. Taper candles. Taper candles are long and slender with a pointed end. They are usually used in pairs and placed in candle holders or candelabra for formal occasions or decorative purposes. Pillar candles. Pillar candles are cylindrical and come in various sizes. They stand alone and don't require a container. Pillar candles are popular for their versatility and are often used for both decorative and functional purposes. Votive candles. Votive candles are short and squat, typically placed in small heat-resistant containers called votive holders. They are known for their long burning time and are commonly used for religious or meditative purposes. Tea light candles. Tea light candles are small and usually come in metal or plastic cups. They are designed to burn for a short time and are often used in groups for creating ambient lighting or as decorative accents. Container candles. Container candles are poured into heat-resistant containers like glass jars, metal tins, or ceramic vessels. They are convenient, easy to use, and often come with lids to preserve the fragrance. They are used for decorative, meditative, and aromatherapy purposes. Floating candles. Floating candles are especially designed to float on water. They are often used in decorative arrangements for weddings, events, or as centerpieces in bowls or vases. Gel candles. Gel candles are made from a transparent gel-like substance instead of traditional wax. They allow for unique designs and embedments, making them popular for decorative purposes. Molded or novelty candles. Novelty candles are decorative candles that come in various creative and unique shapes, designs, and themes. They are typically made from wax and are designed to burn like regular candles, but their primary appeal lies in their playful designs. These candles are made by pouring melted wax into pre-made molds, which give the candles their final shape and design. All these candles can be scented or unscented based on your preferences. Scented candles are infused with fragrance or essential oils. Fun fact, there are about 10,000 different candle scents, and vanilla is the world's most popular scent, while lavender has the most relaxing aroma. Now let's get to know about the candle making tools and materials in our next lesson.